How to change Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change Bitmoji in Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. And then when you are inside the Snapchat application, go over to your profile section. Once you are there, go ahead and click on that gear icon. And then go ahead and click on Bitmoji. And here you can change your Bitmoji, edit it of your choice. You can change the hairstyle, you can change the dress up, or you can even change the appearance of your Bitmoji. Once it's done, go ahead and click on save and your Bitmoji will be changed on your Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye till then.